Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto. We've come to our customer's location here in Burnaby. Which model is it?
Acura RSX.
It's a Acura RSX. He needed to change the starter. It's been a little bit of a challenge. So in case you guys want to change the starter in a Acura RSX, please remember you need to remove this part. What's it called? The intake manifold out. It's a little bit of a task doing that. If you get stuck, we've experienced this problem. You basically need to take out the screws of the radiator area, push it a little bit forward, and then that's the way it's going to actually come out after taking out all the connected wires and hoses and everything else. But here is the new starter that we have put in, and we're going to be, it's taken us almost an hour to do this, and we will be putting everything back together, and hopefully we'll have a happy customer. Again, this is DNV Mobile Auto, serving the Greater Vancouver area. 604-518-6684 is our number. Please give us a call if you have any mechanical or interior detailing needs. Thanks. So we've just put the intake manifold back. We're going to screw in the throttle body and the intake hose. As you can see, you need to remove these screws to push the radiator section a little ahead. That's the only way your intake hose is going to actually go in and come out as well. So as we put everything back together, we'll take another video with the car starting, and hopefully if you have any starter problems, feel free to give us a call. We come to your location, mobile, on a driveway. We are here actually in an apartment complex in Burnaby, and we are on a driveway, the visitors parking lot. Hey guys, this is Vic from DNB Mobile Auto. We've just replaced, this is the old starter, and we've done everything, and we've replaced the starter. We've put all the screws back. I'm going to ask the customer to please start the car to see whether it's all working. Now that's the sound that we like. Car is all started up. I would say another successful job at DNB Mobile Auto. If you have any service needs, please give us a call. Number is 604-518-6684. Thank you. So hey guys, so we've fixed this car in front of the customer. So the customer has also basically figured out how to do the starter. So we do what we do in front of the customer, so that there are no hidden fees or hidden stuff, and hopefully in the next time the customer has a problem, he can change the starter himself and he doesn't need our help. Do you have any comments to say?
All I can say is it was a good job done. I was here throughout the whole process, and the car started well, smooth. I'm just happy with the job, and I've even learned something myself. I'm happy with everything.
Thank you so much.